Hello, my name is Bill, and it's October 16th. And I actually got an awesome prophetic word from Father yesterday, but there's been a lot going on, so I'm recording it today and sending it out. And the title of the message is Come Out to Play in the Sound of My Son's Voice of Thundering Strength. Call out to Jesus as the thunder roars, for the Lion has come to set up his estate of reconciliation across the nations. He will establish control into dominion for all to see from sea to sea. Heaven comes down to beat the dark realms into submission. Oh, what a transmission of his radiance of light. It will be so bright. All will fall in submission or be translated as an abomination, cast down forever, found out of light. It will be a treasure one would not want to endeavour. Time to call out to me as you are a treasure in my sight, whatever you've done. Call to me as the danger will tower over. For a moment, it will sweep down into much despair, in fear's prison and chains of great shame. Put your hands in the air. Shout out to Jesus. Receive my rarefied air. New breath of life, ever in my light, at the brightness of joy. In filling you up with all my Father's true love, begotten evermore. Sing hallelujah at the roar of laughter as your mind is filled to the top of all that was your true destiny, not hidden anymore. Come, my children, at your Father's feet. Walk in my Son's path to me forevermore. Greatness will be your song to sing. Of your true heart will ring out. Burst out in joy as I wash you, clothe you, feed you, and restore you. I give a place in my kingdom as a royal order will endow you. In righteousness will I crown you. Truth will abound you. Gloriousness has found you. Baskets of wisdom will surround you in my Father's house evermore. Come quickly, set your hearts on me. For your birthright, your Redeemer of generations is opening the seals. The trumpets will sound of victory. Glory at my coronation. Be a part of my bridal party. I invite you all to come to the festival. At the marriage, we will toast as my holy kiss will greet you, my jewels, my treasures. Tears of joy will fill you. Come to the wedding. See my crown and scepter. Magnificent Father will crown me. I will forever be for you evermore. Bowls of new wine will fill all the vessels. Oil will flow out. Milk and honey with all to food will be set on plates of golden stardust. Cups and bowls and all vessels will sparkle. Flowers will sing praises. The floor in sapphire, as we dance, sing, and shout, with all our families about. In my Father's house, Jesus Christ wants you to be his guest, to be part of the bridal party as he marries his bride. Your Father Creator writes your name on the list. Be on the list. You were to read my words in John 8. These are the words of truth. And that's the end of the message. I just want to say he's specific to read his words in John 8. The red letters, the red words are Jesus's words. And the opening, the woman, look at it as the world. And who are the two witnesses? It's so beautiful. So just read the red words, the red letters of Jesus. I pray you all have a blessed day. Awesome word today. God is so good. He just loves us all so much. Just come to him. All right. God bless. Bye.